going to
cook it up. Yum!
We have this plain old box of matzah. What are we going to do with it?
We're going to make Matzoh Brei. Take 2 pieces of matzah.
Then you break the matzah up into little pieces and put it in a bowl. Make sure to crack the matzah over the bowl so it doesn't go all over the place. And then you pour hot water into the matzah and get it all soaked up.
Then you take 2 eggs and crack them. Once you're done with that, you whisk the eggs. Make sure to drain your matzah.
Then you pour the egg into your drained matzah.
Mix it up and put it in your frying pan.
We suggest eating Matzoh Brei with maple syrup.